Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at Euro USD and GJ, of course, same as every day. First of all, links down below for the, obviously, if you like the channel, you like the content, like and subscribe. You can help me grow over here. I'd really appreciate that. We've also got the Twitter, that's Twitch, where I live stream trading every day, Monday to Friday, 1 hour before New York Open. So click the links down below for that. Twitter, where I post a lot of my analysis, pre-analysis, post-analysis, things like that, and TikTok, where I do some videos as well. So if you're interested in those, definitely check them out. Let's get into the chart. So if I quickly just pull up my Twitter, you would have known from yesterday's videos that what I was looking for on Euro USD and GJ, but you can see here, looking at Euro USD buys above 0.98523 and then GJ buys above 169.049. And there's the aftermath of the GJ trade and the EU one, but I forgot to post a chart with that one, but we'll take a look at that in a sec. So yeah, posted that on my Twitter, and basically it was this trade here as price started breaking up over here, broke the previous 4-hour high right in here. So I took a buy right there like that, stops below this wick right here for 14 pips. So yeah, that went up around about 10 pips, 9.5, 10 pips in profit, and then came down and hit my stop loss for 15 pips, which is fine. And then I was looking at buys again as price started coming back up here. I was overall bullish on EU still. So I was looking at buys on the breaks of here, but again, I mean, that went up 33 pips, but this happened very quickly, and you know, my stop loss would have had to have been like potentially down here. It's pretty big. You know, this just sharp. I think I looked away. I was streaming at the time. I looked away. I was speaking to someone in chat. I looked away for 2 seconds and looked back, and this thing was already like all the way up there. So yeah, missed that one, but it is what it is. It happened very quickly. And then again today, I am looking at buy still on Euro USD. We are selling off a little bit here. We have broke above previous highs right here on the higher time frames. We're coming down to make like a higher low in here somewhere. Looking at the daily chart, right, we've got a daily high that was formed. We broke that high. We made a higher low on the daily. This is the D's right here. This is daily highs right here. Highs, boom, 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 and daily lows. So we are breaking highs and making higher lows on the daily. So I will be looking for price to continue bullish at some point. Where that's going to be from, I don't know. I'll be waiting to see where price kind of turns around at. If it does, or if it just keeps breaking down, obviously my bias will change further into London session that we get. But I'll update that on my Twitter as well if anything changes. So this 4-hour candle is now opened, and we are coming down, and it's potentially making a bottom wick. It could just wick out here and then continue bullish at some point. So I will be looking for buys above 0.99018. So this is where I'll be looking to take buys with an entry here like this somewhere. So that's what I'll be looking at on EU today. So yeah, and like I said, if my bias changes, if anything changes, I'll be updating that on my Twitter account. And also I will be live tonight anyway for a New York session on Twitch if you want to come check that out. And GJ again, so you saw the GJ buys from the Twitter that my Twitter that I posted, and that was right here. Break above this high. I usually do around about 3 pips above. So my entry was around about here. As price was trending up here, you can see we pushed up, made a low, continued pushing. Next 4-hour candle opened, made a low, and continued pushing. So my stop was right underneath that the 15-minute candle where I entered, and it went up around about 45 pips, hit about a 1 to 3, but I was looking for a bigger push upwards to break these previous daily levels and continue bullish. So I did move my stops to break even at that point, and then it came down and tapped break even right here with this wick down, and then kind of just played around a little bit. So it is what it is. And then we did have this kind of support form. Price broke below it, retested it, and then continued bearish there. But I was mainly just looking for buys. And again today, same as EU. So on the daily time frame, we've got highs right here, and we broke those highs yesterday and had new daily highs printed, and then came down, made there's the daily lows, and we made new daily lows and continued bullish. So that's why I was looking at buys here. And again now, you know, potentially come down, made like printed a new low right here, and now I'm waiting for price to continue bullish with breaks above this level right here. So entries would be around 168.715 for buys at this point. And again, if anything changes, I'll be updating that on my Twitter and also on my live stream tonight. But if price breaks below this area down here at 167.587, if price breaks below this low, then that would indicate to me personally that price is potentially going to flip bearish at this point and continue bearish down. I mean, this price action and this chart is very messy on GJ and EU at the moment. Like, you know, EU isn't as bad. We've just had this move up and then continuation, but GJ has just been, you know, big sell off, and then price went all the way back up and then sold off again and then went all the way back up. Like, it's very zigzaggy. And it's kind of consolidating like within this like range right here. But yeah, I'll be looking for buys on GJ above this area, and then if price comes down and continues bearish and breaks below 167.592 down here, then I'll definitely be looking at sales going into New York session. So yeah, all in all, yesterday was a decent day. Had this you know, this trade over here that ended up going for a 1 to 3, but I was looking for a little bit more for price to continue pushing. Didn't happen. And then I'll be looking at buys again today, and then a small loss on Euro USD yesterday for 15 pips. And again, I'll be looking at Euro USD to continue bullish at some point today. So that is that basically. Again, if you like the content, if you're liking the videos, if these videos are helping you or my analysis is helping you in any way, or you have any questions, you have any ideas for any kind of content that you want me to do, or pairs you want me to look at or analyze, things like that, leave that in the comments down below, and I'll definitely get to that. But with that being said, that is the end of the video. That's my analysis for today. And if anything changes, like I said, I'll be updating that on my Twitter account, so you can hit those links below for the Twitter to keep updated there. And also, I'll be live tonight on Twitch, live streaming, live trading, looking for opportunities during New York session. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everyone who's been watching and subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. You guys are the goats. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.